Hello students, myself Kushali Satkute. Again welcome to Shram Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, in previous lecture of our 4th standard maths in addition chapter, we learned some examples of horizontal addition and vertical addition. But students, in this lecture, we have to learn about pairs of equal number. Pairs of equal number means equal numbers pair. Now look here, three groups are given: group A, group B and group C. We have to make three groups pair with equal number. Do you understand? Okay, students, we have to find these groups pair in this group and also these groups pair in this group. Do you understand? Okay, look here. Here first one given is 14,000 plus 300. Look here, 14,000 plus 300. How many? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 4 as it is, 1 as it is. 14,300. Write down here. 14,300 means this. Now next, number 2. 2,000 plus 90. Look here. 2,000 plus 90. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 9, 9. 2 as it is, 2, sorry, 0 as it is, 2 as it is. How many? 2019. 2019. Now next, third, 509 plus 1000. 509 plus 1000. What is the answer? 9 plus 0, 9. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 as it is. 1509. Correct? 1509. 99,000 plus 702. Do this addition. 99,000 plus 702. Do this addition. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 9 as it is, again 9 as it is. Our answer is 99,702. 99,702. Our group base solution is completed. Now see group B. In this group, we have to take some additions again. Now first, look. 509 plus 1000. 9 plus 0, 9. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. And 1 as it is. Means 1509. Then next, 14,000 plus 300. Do addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 4 as it is, 1 as it is. Means our answer is 14,300. 14,300. Then next, separately. We have to need here of addition? No, because all numbers are given separately. Okay, now we have to make pair of group A and group B. Students, look here. Here given her 14,000 plus 300. Where is this addition? 14,000 plus 300. Here, look, 14,000 plus 300. Give this pair. Do you understand? Okay. Now next, 14,000 plus 300. How many? 14,300. In this